battery driven with a flashlight. Most economic version with a flashlight. With this mini Tesla coil it did not work. It has not enough voltage to break the high pressure in the tube. Here is Glassblower workshop vacuum system used to fill electrode-less discharge lamps with Xenon as a buffer gas. So here we have nothing, but here we have Xenon. Tesla coil Chinese. It is used to clean vacuum system and check for leaks. On the top we have filling manifold. Here are usually these products which are made electrode-less discharge lamps. There is classic style manometer. 1 centimeter oil is 1 millibar, and then is oil diffusion pump and liquid nitrogen trap. Here is a ionization gauge to measure good vacuum and for vacuum gauge. And University Glassblower workshop. This is stand to fill glass cells, electrode-less discharge lamps with chemical elements and inert gases like xenon. Glassblower table, oxygen and butane flame, vertical lathe to machine rotating parts, and oven which can go over 1000 degrees.